Hey, it's Whitney. I just got the new Tombow VIP box, so I haven't even opened it yet. I'm gonna do that all on camera for you. I need to break the seal. So this is available online until they're sold out. So this is just a seasonal item. The link is in the caption if you want to check it out, but I am going to give you a top view so you can kind of see everything up close and go through everything. Alright, so this is what you get when you open it. This is a little intro that tells you all about the products here. Already I am super excited. Okay, so this is the marker case. Heck yeah. So I guess this is a new and improved version of the case that I have with the markers. Alright, so it's like a little toolbox. Slide the top off. So it's a desktop and carrying case, so it does have the handle on top, which is awesome. And holy cow, check this thing out. So like this could fit anywhere. You could set it just like on the edge of your desk and have access to everything. I totally can't wait to get all my markers put in here. So this is, ooh, limited edition. This is the custom pack. All super bright, summery, fun colors. If you watch any of my stuff on Instagram, you know that I love adding color to my spreads and bright ones, so this is perfect. Let's see, the last thing is the pen's color chart. It's nice and laminated, which is awesome, and then on the back you can have the blending if you want to take your skills with the dual brush pens up a notch. So I'm definitely going to get this all organized and come back to you guys and hopefully have some kind of new printable. So obviously I was super excited about that carrying case for the Tombow pens, and then this color chart and the new bright dual brush pens. So this kit is available. Just check the link in my info, and I think it's just available for a limited time, so you might want to get on it. Anyways, I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you like the video. I will see you next time. Bye.